Hey everyone, I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. I wanted to get on here and show you guys my groceries because I decided that I'm going to do the keto diet. Now, my reasoning for doing this keto diet are because I've been so stationary due to the COVID-19 crisis. I feel like I've put on a few extra pounds and the number on the scale has reflected it, and I'm just at a point where I don't feel comfortable anymore. I've never been this heavy in my life. To be honest, I'm not really that much heavier, but like I feel it and I know that something's got to change. So I decided to go to Sprouts and get some things to start me off. I'll gradually add things in as the week progresses. I have kind of more essential items, and then because I'm a huge snacker, I got some snack items as well. So let's go ahead and get into the haul. Okay, so we'll start with the basics. Over here, I have a white onion just to saute with various dishes and to make them taste really good and flavorful. Also an avocado because, as you know, that's full of healthy fats, something that's essential on keto. Also a bell pepper just because it would add some nice color to my dishes and some nice texture as well. Green beans, organic ones at that, are always a good choice because they're pretty low in carbs. We have 6 grams per cup. I think that's pretty fair. So these will be good to go with different proteins and whatnot. Also some blackberries. When it comes to keto, you want to make sure that your fruits are low in carbs and sugar, and blackberries are one of the best options for that. Also some cage-free eggs because eggs are a big part of the keto diet, making sure we get our proteins in there. Also a Cobb salad. I went through all the different salads that they had at Sprouts and I tried to see the one that had the least amount of carbs in it. This one only has 5, so it's a clear winner. So looking forward to eating that. We also have some salami. A pro tip that I discovered today was that you can get salami from kind of the deli section. I've always gotten ham and things from the deli, but I always just got pre-packaged salami. So learn something new. Maybe I can help you save a few bucks. Also some cheddar cheese. Just thought that would be good to have because once again, we have to get that fat and protein in there. Next up, we have some yogurt. When I was reading about yogurt, it said to get one with full fat. And also it said to get one that's not flavored because you don't want to have too much sugar. So don't know what I'm going to use that for. Maybe I'll put some strawberries or raspberries or blackberries in there, something like that. Also, I got this heavy whipping cream because it's super good for keto. People put in their coffee with the MCT oil. And I got this one that's dairy free because sometimes dairy can mess with my stomach. I looked at the ingredients. It still had 0 carbs and 0 sugar, so I thought that it was a good option for me. We got some bone broth. I hear people talking about this. Guess it's good for protein, and also I hear people saying if you're losing electrolytes, it's good to drink this bone broth. All right, so let's get more into the snack section. This is the section that I've been looking forward to. First up, we have these sesame snacks. We got teriyaki and toasted sesame seaweed snacks. So looking forward to trying these out. I've had these from Traders before, so excited to try these. Looks like there's only 1 carb in here, and this one is 2 carbs, so pretty great snack to have. Looking forward to trying that. Oh, another thing I wanted to show was this evaporated coconut milk. I could use this for like drinks or something, or maybe a dessert. 2 grams of carbs, pretty good. Okay, back to the snacks. So I got some beef jerky sticks, barbecue flavored ones, and these have 3 grams of carbs in each one, so thought that was a good snack. Also get some protein in there. I got these 2 Dang bars. I had never seen these before, but they say keto on them, and it looks like it only has 5 net carbs on one and 4 on the other, so super excited to try those when I have kind of a sugar craving. Next up, I got these Fat Snacks cookies with 2 net carbs in them. So I'm super excited to try those, see if they're good. We got a keto cookie. Someone said these weren't very good, but I just wanted to give it a try just in case. They could maybe prove me wrong. We'll see. Next up, we got these Quest protein chips. This is the ranch flavor. I love chips and snacks, so I'm hoping this kind of gives me that satisfaction I need. This has 19 grams of proteins, 4 net carbs. We got these tortilla style nacho cheese protein chips. Once again, that's 4 carbs and 18 grams of protein. Looking forward to trying that. And on to the most exciting purchase is this keto ice cream with only 1 net carb, and it's chocolate peanut butter flavor. I heard someone mention this ice cream on a video, so knew I had to get out and try that. The last things that I will show you are these collagen peptides. Everyone talks about collagen peptides. I don't really know what they are because I didn't take the time to research it, but I know they're good for you, and they had a little keto label on them when I was at Sprouts, so figured why not. This little thing was so cheap, so it's like the perfect sample size. And another thing I got was this, I think it's a mini MCT oil. I saw the MCT oil in the store and it was literally like $15, and I didn't want to do that, so got this so I could try it out. So I'll keep you posted on how everything goes with this. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.